United 262, 264 people on board. We do have 10 hours to fuel. We are going to land overlight.
Heavy, Denver Charlie, 25 left, wait.
Lap away, 25, United 262 Heavy.
At 262 Heavy, RNF to Burkham, wind 29012 and a 25 slipper takeoff.
Cliff takeoff from the 25, RNF Burkham, United 262 Heavy.
At 262 Heavy, contact departure, good night.
Departure 33.62, United 262 Heavy, see you. Well, Denver departure, United 262 Heavy with you at 6.5 on the Sleep 2.
United 262 Heavy, departure, contact 250 knots till advised, climb be assist.
250 knots till advised, climb is assist, United 262 Heavy.
Denver, United 262. Wilson, United 272. We do need to come back right away.
262 Heavy, roger. Advising at Papa, Denver altimeter 308. United 262 Heavy, Denver altimeter 3008.
3008.
United 262 Heavy, turn left, heading now 080.
Left to 080, United 262.
United 262 Heavy, when able, say the nature of emergency and souls on board to remaining.
United 262, 264 people on board. We do have 10 hours to fuel. We are going to land overlight.
United 262 Heavy, contact approach on 123.85, 2385, and when able, tell them the nature of emergency, please.
12385, United 262. Center United 262, we're 11-2 for 10, emergency, burning smell in the back of the airplane, descend into 10.
And United 262 Denver approach, roger, Denver altimeter 3008, you can have 35 left or right.
35 left for set up for.
United 262, thank you, expect runway 35 left, turn left heading 020, intercept the localizer.
020, intercept 35 left, localize United 262 Heavy.
Frontier 972, there's emergency coming in behind you. I want you to keep your speed up 170 or greater, please. So Diamond, contact tower 133.3.
Okay, we'll keep the speed up, no problem. Frontier 972, over to tower. Good day.
United 262 Heavy, do you need the trucks out there?
Yeah, you can roll the trucks standing by. We are overweight landing.
Guys, 262 Heavy, the airport's 11 o'clock and 15 miles.
Yes, United 262
United 262 Heavy, clear visual approach, runway 35 left.
Clear visual approach 35 left, United 262.
Tower 123.3.
123.3, United 262.
United 262 Heavy, Denver Tower, radio track out of here. Top 7 alert is the next to land, runway 35 left.
262 Heavy, Denver Tower, 35 left to the land.
United 262 Heavy, in the blind, you are clear to land on runway 35 left. Winds 30013. 262 Heavy, Denver Tower, radio check. How to hear me? United 262 Heavy, reply not received. This is in the blind, turn left at your discretion, and then taxi Lima to Alpha November. Frequency change, your discretion, if you're able. Top 7, I'm unable attentions. I don't have radio comm with this aircraft.
262 Denver.
Got a 262 Heavy, taxi via Lima, then Alpha November. I understand you'd like to proceed to the gate this time?
Yeah, we're going to taxi anything you notice on the outside of the aircraft?
Got a 262, I have vehicles on your left right now that are approaching. Would you like to stop on the Lima taxiway and have them inspect?
That's fine. We're going to
Got a 262 Heavy, whatever you need we'll do, hold position, and the vehicles, if you can utilize 120.15, you can communicate with the city on that frequency.
Okay, very good.
And do you copy that, Op 7? It's 120.15 to communicate with United 282 Heavy, 262 Heavy. You, Op 7, really quick, can you tell me if that aircraft has passed the whole short lines, 35 left? Thank you very much, Op 7. United 262 Heavy, Endeavor Ground, taxi via Lima, Alpha November. If the ramp's going to accept you straight in, that's fine with me, sir.
Yeah, they are. We'll go ahead and take over the ramp. Thanks for all your help, guys.
No worries. Hope everything's good.
Yeah, intermittent smell of kind of thing, so we'll figure out what it is.